All right, so our story problem, it's just problem solving application. I'm gonna read it to you, I'm gonna work it through so that you guys can kind of see how you should or could be doing this. Ella ate 2/3 cup of low-fat yogurt. The serving size listed on the container is 6 ounces. Now, something you guys need to know is a cup is 8 ounces. So if you have 6 ounces out of 8 ounces, then really you have 3/4 of a cup. So because they're working with cups here, it will be smart to get into the cups here. They may have even given you that, but I just wanted to point that out. So this is a serving size. What she ate was 2/3. How many servings did Ella eat? So first off, we're finding how many servings she ate. Well, she ate 2/3 out of 3/4 cup. So the words out of would be divide. So we take 2/3 divided by 3/4, which is your serving size, and we will get how much of a serving size she actually ate. So 2/3, copy, dot, I'm gonna flip that, 4/3, and this should give me the total amount of a serving size that she ate. You can see that 2/3 isn't as much as 3/4. Like this one, you're missing a third, and this one, you're missing a fourth of it. Just so you guys have somewhat of a visual. You only ate 2 of those thirds. Over here, a whole serving size is 3 of them. So you didn't quite eat a whole serving size, okay? So 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9. So she ate 8/9 of a serving size of the total serving size, okay? Now, that's not the only question that it asks. It says each serving size is 100 calories. So if she, and how many calories did she eat? If she only ate 8/9 of the total serving size, then she ate 8/9 of 100 calories. And you guys should remember of is multiply. So if we take 8/9 and we times it by 100, what we'll get is something close to 88.8 repeated. So you could just say 88.9 calories that she ate in that. I'm going to show you guys something that I think is easier. This is kind of how the book wants you to think about it. This is how I think about it. If 3/4 cup is 100 calories, so if 3/4 cup is 100 calories, then 2/3 cup is how many calories? Do you guys remember this? This would be considered a proportion. Line equals line, right? So you would cross multiply, you would divide by this last number, and it would give you your answer. So cross multiply, divide, and it's going to tell you exactly how many calories you had. It's 88.8 repeated. You would make that 88.9. So I actually think a proportion is easier. I default to a proportion so many times. If you can do a proportion, you're more than welcome to do a proportion. Sometimes this way is easier if you think it through that way. Sometimes it's easier to just start adding. Okay, I had one of these, one of these, one of these. It really depends on the problem. So just a couple of different tools, hopefully, to help you try and get to what the problem is asking. But I'm going to give you guys one. I think it's a lot easier than this one, okay?